Dun, 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 dun. Well, hello there. I'm the Dami here playing Escaping the Prison. Now, this game is about a stick figure man who got in prison for who knows what, and now have to try to escape many ways. This game is funny and fun, I'm telling you guys. You guys will love this game. Let's start.
Oh, you.
Yeah?
You're free to go.
Finally! I won!
Not really, but you've got a package. Don't get your hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful. Haven't we, Dave? What? Yeah. Of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job. I don't want to lose my job.
The words are lying.
See you around. Free to go. Thought that was pretty good.
Cake! I love cake! Yum, 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 yum. Let's hear it, guys. What do I pick? What do I pick? Let's see. Ooh, that's a lot.
What?
What the? Oh, come on! Ooh, energy drink. Awesome! Well, that's it, guys. I think I'm gonna end the video there. Yeah, because I'm winning. I'm done. So, I'm just gonna let you guys see this, and then I'm gonna end the video right there, guys. So. Psych! Just kidding, guys. I'm not ending the video there. Ha. Now, let's see. Ooh, let's pick the file. Window. He just fell. Didn't even do it. Let's pick the file again, but this time. Let's pick the center. I'm out. Oh, look at that pronus. Take that. He electrocuted himself.
Hey, he's escaping.
Let's see. Ooh, grenades.
Go check yourself.
What the?
That was awesome. Let me retry with the chair. Ooh, that way. Nice! Parachute! Oh, come on! Come on, I wasn't ready to go to book bag. Oh, that sucks. I'm telling you, that sucks. I hate that. Let's try that. Oh, I'm so loud. I can run. Really? Let's try the punchers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! I made it. Run as fast as you can. Run. Okay, guys, I'm ending the video right there. Okay. Bye, guys. Hope you love this video. Bye. Psych. Okay. Is that a cell phone? Ooh, I'm gonna call my girlfriend. What's up, girl?
Witness, please continue your testimony.
What's up, girl?
Okay. I was riding alongside my partner in the armored van. Suddenly, spotted a bag on the side of the road. Got out and eventually decided to throw the bag in with the others. We didn't know there was someone hiding in there. Objection! So, the defendant crawled into that bag in order to break into the bank. Is that correct? Is it not obvious? Is it really that obvious? I have proof that the defendant didn't hide himself in that bag. Well then, what are you waiting for? Present this evidence already. Take that! What is this? It's evidence. And how exactly does this prove anything? Well, I was just kidding. Let me try. This is no time for jokes.
What?
I see no reason to further prolong this trial. I find the defendant, Henry Stickmin.
Guilty! Come on! I'm Henry. Come on, I have a cool name.
Take that! What is this?
Oh, this
It's evidence. And how exactly does this prove anything? Well, I was just kidding. Let me try. This is no time for jokes. I see no reason to further prolong this trial. I find the defendant, Henry Stickmin.
No. Oh, come on. Now I know my name, Henry Stickmin. That's an awesome name. Well, guys.
Take that! Is that the bag the defendant hid in? Yes, but there's one thing that's been bothering me. If the defendant really was hiding in this bag, then how did he tie the knot from the outside of the bag? What? If he was inside the bag, it'd be impossible for him to tie that knot on the outside. But then, how did he do it? It's simple. He didn't. What are you saying? I'm saying my client wasn't hiding in that bag at all. He was stuffed in there. By this very witness! What? As you can see by this doctor's analysis, the defendant had taken quite the beating. While he was in the bag, he was unconscious. This is absurd. The witness was attempting to dispose of the body. He left the defendant in the bag, knowing he'd drive by it on the way back to the bank. When the witness and his partner passed the bag, he convinced his partner to throw the bag in with the others. But why would he do that? Why, to dispose of the body, of course. There were millions of bags of money in that bank, and the witness knew it would take a long time before the victim was found. But unfortunately for the witness, his victim woke up and tried to escape from his tomb. He was arrested on the spot, and the witness thought everything was over. It's come back to haunt him now. You guys this can't be happening to me! Well, that certainly was an interesting trial. However, I am now ready to deliver my verdict. I find the defendant, Henry Stickmin.
Henry Stickmin can leave. Really? Why do I just got out of jail, now I'm gonna go keep robbing and go back in jail. Wow. Well, bye guys, that's all for this video. There's the music and all those stuff. And also, this is Henry Stickmin here saying farewell to all of you. Bye. Bye.